Alright, I just went and got some more oil, and I put the oil in there, and when I'm starting it, I'm hearing this whooshing sound in the engine, and I can't figure out what it is, or where the hell it's coming from. I'm going to try to tape it, and then put it on YouTube, and see if anybody else can figure it out. The only thing I can, because it wasn't making this whooshing sound before I took the carb off of it, so I'm thinking I may have the carb hooked up wrong. So, here, let's try this out here. Oh, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it or not. It almost sounds like a cylinder, or I don't know if you even have cylinders in them. See, I don't know that much about it. I mean, I don't... Oops. Where the hell is that coming from? Let's try it back here, see if we can hear it a little better. Yeah, it's coming from in there. It's coming from in here is where it's coming from. So, that means I should probably take that thing off. I don't know, what do you people think? Because, you know, at this point, like I said before, I'm going to get rid of it. I don't think I'm going to get rid of it. What I'm going to do is, since I'm going to wait, I'm going to, like I said in my last video, I'm going to save up my money, and then I'm going to buy a Bergman. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to restore this one, and then I'm going to buy another one, like another 150cc. It's probably going to be an E-ton or something. And I'm going to drive this one when it rains. And I'm going to keep the other one. And then what I'm going to do, when I get my Bergman, I'm going to get rid of this one. And then I'm going to drive my other one. when it rains, or whenever I'm a short trip around town or whatever. So, yeah.